Find out how many calories and nutrients are in fried eggs. Nutrient content. Nutrients in quantitative form. 196 kilocalories of energy. Carbohydrates 15.31 grams, protein 13.62 grams, calcium 0.9 grams. Sodium, Na 204 mg, vitamin C, ascorbic acid final 0 mg, 59 mg, Fe 1.98 mg. 729 U vitamin A, cholesterol 457 mg. Calories? Nutrients in quantitative form. Total calories, 195.87 calories from carbohydrates, 3.6 calories from fat, 137.79 calories from protein, 54.48. Nutrients in quantitative form. Final 0 mg vitamin C, ascorbic acid. Vitamin B6 0.16 mg, folic acid, ultimate thiamine 0.08 mg, riboflavin 0.52 mg, niacin 0.08 mg, pantothenic acid 1.56 mg, DFE 51 micrograms, 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 D. Betaine 0.7 mg, choline, final 272.6 mg. Vitamin A, U729, vitamin B12 1.39 micrograms, vitamin B12 1.39 micrograms, vitamin B12 1.39 micrograms, vitamin B12 1.39. 1.22 mg, vitamin E, vitamin D, D2 plus D3. 54 IU, vitamin K 1.3 micrograms, vitamin D 20 micrograms, vitamin D3 1.3 micrograms, vitamin D, phylloquinone. Metal amount of 5.6 micrograms. Nutrients in quantitative form. Sodium, Na 204 mg, calcium 59 mg, Fe 1.98 mg, magnesium, Mg 13 mg, phosphorus, P 208 mg, potassium, K 147 mg, zinc 1.2 mg, copper, Chu 0.11 mg, manganese, Mn 0.04 mg, selenium, Say 34.2 micrograms, fluoride, F 4.8 micrograms. Amino acids and proteins. Nutrients in quantitative form. Essential amino acids, 13.62 grams, protein. Non-essential amino acids, tryptophan 0.18 grams, threonine 0.6 grams, isoleucine 0.73 grams, leucine 1.17 grams, lysine 0.99 grams, methionine 0.41 grams, phenylalanine 0.74 grams, valine 0.93 grams, histidine 0.33 grams. Arginine 0.89 grams, alanine 0.79 grams, glycine 0.47 grams, proline 0.55 grams, methionine 0.41 grams, cysteine 0.29 grams, phenylalanine 0.74 grams, tyrosine 0.54 grams, arginine 0.89 grams, alanine 0.79 grams, glycine 0.47 grams. Hydroxyproline 1.05 grams, serine 0 grams, carbohydrates. Nutrients in quantitative form. 205 0.9 grams carbohydrate. 291 0 grams fiber. 269 0.83 grams sugars. 209 0 grams starch. 0.12 grams sugar from cane. Fruit sugar 0.12 grams, lactose 0.12 grams, malt sugar 0.12 grams, galactose 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 0.12 grams, gala. Fats and fatty acids. Nutrients in quantitative form. Fatty acids, saturated final 4.29 grams, fat 15.31 grams. Total monounsaturated fatty acids 6.35 grams, total polyunsaturated fatty acids 2.66 grams, fatty acids, terminal polyunsaturated 0 grams. Total monounsaturated fatty acids 0 grams. Total polyunsaturated fatty acids 0 grams.